Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind Tech. So imagine this, you are entering into your coffee shop, buying your favorite coffee and sitting in a comfortable table that you want, and you are connecting your laptop or your mobile into the cafe's free Wi-Fi. But instead of connecting it to the real cafe Wi-Fi, you just connect it to a fake and cloned hackers one, and that's the risk of evil twin attack. So in this video we're going to talk about what evil twin attack is and how hackers are performing it. So if you're new here, I am Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind Tech. In this channel I upload videos about cybersecurity, tech, hacking and programming. So if you're interested on those things, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, what is evil twin attack? Evil twin attack is an attack that performs on Wi-Fi. It's used to make a fake Wi-Fi of a real one. So think that you are getting into a cafe, there is a Wi-Fi name called cafe Wi-Fi, and the hacker will get into the Wi-Fi, connect it to it, and he will clone it into another one. So like cafe free Wi-Fi 1, cafe free Wi-Fi slash, like that. They will clone the Wi-Fi. So you didn't notice small details in it, in the fake one, like the numbers and the extra numbers and the extra symbols or characters. You didn't notice that, but you might think, I connected to the real one, how I again connected to the fake one. So this is where the evil twin attack plays in. So the main core of this evil twin attack is to make your device de-authenticated, disconnected to the real Wi-Fi and reconnected to the real Wi-Fi. So this is what happens here. So once the hacker clones the real Wi-Fi into the fake one, the hacker will perform a method to makes you to de-authenticate the Wi-Fi device that you connected in. So that attack will makes your device disconnect with the Wi-Fi that you currently connected in, and you didn't want to do anything. Once it automatically reconnects to the Wi-Fi connected device again, it didn't connect it to the real network in the second time. It will going to connect with the secondary fake one that created by the hacker. So this is the play of evil twin attack. So once you are connected to the hacker's fake Wi-Fi, so here is what happens. So after the hacker gets in, he can do anything. He can able to read and monitor and capture the conversations and the requests that's going out from your device without encryption, and he can able to steal your cookies with the passwords and the username that you saved in your browser, and he can able to do some phishing attack to get your details, and he can able to create a phishing fake page. So think that you are logging into the hacker's Wi-Fi and you are trying to log in anything like your social media, your banking or anything. So if you're trying to log in into your bank on your public Wi-Fi means, if the hacker suspects that, he might create a fake phishing bank page that looks similar to the real page and he push it to it. So once you enter your bank details like abcbank.com, that hacker makes to redirect that URL to his page, like his phishing page, and you thought that it's your legit bank page, and you give your credentials. And what happens here is, after you enter your credentials and submit it, the credential will goes to the hacker and you have been redirected back to your original banking website. So now what you think is, so there is some network issue, you might get logged out or your login process is failed. That's what you think, and you will again log in and use it as usual. But in this between process, hacker got your banking password, login password, or any social media password. So this is the consequences. So this is the consequences of the evil twin attack. This is not only the consequences. There can be a lot of things can be happen because of this evil twin attack. And here is how you can able to stay safe from it. So first and foremost thing is, avoid public Wi-Fis. Yes, you might think it is free Wi-Fi, I can do my stuff, I can download things, those things are very useful. Yes, it is free, it is very useful, but it is not secure. So only use public Wi-Fi when you are in the emergency need of internet access, and always use a VPN, a secure VPN, before connecting to a Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi. And always verify the Wi-Fi name. Is this a legit name of that cafe, of that place? Verify the name first, and then disable auto reconnecting feature, because that is the main important catch for the hackers. So with the help of auto reconnecting process, they are making you to connect into their Wi-Fi's. So if you disable that thing, means once you got disconnected, you didn't connect to the another hacker's Wi-Fi. So while using Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, if it ever gets deconnected and disconnected and reconnected, check your Wi-Fi. You might connected to a hacker's fake evil twin attack. You might check on that. And always while using Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, while you are with the help of public Wi-Fi, if you are browsing anything on internet, means always make sure by using HTTPS website, because HTTP is a unencrypted website. Hackers can able to see your communications, anything you are doing on that website. But if you are using a HTTPS website, that can be secured. It is secured by SSL, so you don't have to worry about it, because the conversation and the communication and everything that you do is encrypted on those websites. Evil twin attacks are sneaky, but it is preventable. Be cautious while using the public Wi-Fi. And if you want to know how this evil twin attack works, if you want to know a live tutorial or a live attack of it, comment down below. If I get more comments, I will make a separate video for how to do it. Okay guys, that's about this video. Hope it's been informative to you. Got questions, ask them, comments, I will wait for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Until then, signing off, Aravind from Mr. Aravind.